Perfect.
Totally see why people rave about this place. Lake Bled is pretty special. Like the colour of that water, you could just jump in it and have a marvellous time if it wasn't so cold. It's actually really not cold.
Go on then.
You could actually jump in there. But it's just beautiful, what with the churches on the little island, the castle up on the top of the hill, and these autumn colours again that we're seeing. It's just beautiful. We're actually trying to find a walk now that takes us up the hill kind of thing, so we just have views of the lake. Whether we'll find it or not is another thing, but yes, very, very nice. So we found the walk. We've come, it was quite a steep walk all the way up, a little bit higgledy-piggledy, and then we've got to here. Just take a look at these steps and how steep they are.
That's quite steep.
So a bit unsure about how we're going to conquer these because we've got the boys with us.
You got a rail on one side, but it's almost like a ladder, so we might have to carry Dizzy and Charlie up there. So the boys look a bit worried. Charlie, where's Mama? Sarah's just testing out how we're going to get down.
So we made it up fine. Shush, shush.
Charlie's very excited to see his Mama. He's worried about that.
Hey, no arguments. But we don't know how we're going to get back down. It's going to be tricky. We didn't vlog on the way up, by the way, for obvious reasons. Dog in one arm, holding onto the barrier with the other. Looks like we'll be up here for the night. Right guys, so like we said, we didn't make the steps, we couldn't get down, we tried our best, so like I said, we are staying here for the night. We've already half built the hut.
Yeah, I've been busy collecting firewood. Sarah's laid it out. Wow, you've done a grand job. Might be a little bit drafty. There's a few gaps, but you know. Right, Diz, your bed's over here. This is your bed here. Just curl up there, yeah? You right there?
You stay here and guard the hut. We're going to go hunting, okay?
Okay, you like your new house?
And again, we're wearing his and hers matching trainers.
What are you doing? So we left the little hut that Sarah scrapped together quite quickly and luckily we managed to find another way down. A nice lady met us on the way down and took us to the main viewpoint,
which was very nice, wasn't it?
Which was stunning. Beautiful viewpoint, you can see the whole of the lakes, all the surrounding area. Really nice. Now we're heading back down before it gets dark.
So the good thing is that we didn't have to do those horrible steps in the end going down, carrying the doggies. This little path should lead us to the campsite.
Perfect.
So yeah, we've just got back down lakeside. Lovely walk up there. So yeah, we got here late afternoon yesterday, cycled around the whole lake. today we've gone up to this stunning viewpoint, nice little walk through the forest, and tomorrow kayaking.
And we're really lucky with the weather because it's getting on quite late in the year now, but it's been beautiful. Like, we've got our shorts on. I mean, we are getting a bit cold now, it is time to go back to the van, but yeah, it's just a beautiful day, sunny day, and hopefully it is the same tomorrow. I've checked. So yes, kayaking tomorrow, and we hope to have a little sneaky jump in.
Apparently it's slightly warmed by thermal springs, so it's not freezing icy cold like it should be. Go on, Jelly, wee! He likes it. He likes it. Goodies. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.